For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us, just check the description. DOGECOIN in every way that really matters, neglected to catch financial backers' eye in July, in spite of the core 1.14.6 truly redesign. This brought about a frail recuperation of simply more than 2% in July, failing to meet expectations. Bitcoin 16% and Ether's 56% convention overwhelmingly. The cost activity stays dreary in the week starting 1 August 2022, as bulls for the most part attempt to in a real sense, push the cost above 7 cents. A board of crypto industry specialists reviewed by cost examination StageFinder generally were unequivocally negative, with 45% of the respondents anticipating that Doge should drop to nothing, which is genuinely huge. Consequently, it by and large was nothing unexpected when 71% of the members said it most certainly was the perfect opportunity to offer Doge, in opposition to prevalent thinking fundamentally. In any case, DOGECOIN proceeds to draw in new clients explicitly. In a tweet, crypto expert Ali Martinez featured that DOGECOIN's cost in every practical sense was down generally 15% in the beyond 2 months. However, during that period, new day-to-day DOGECOIN addresses expanded 265% from 14,470 to 38,430 addresses each day. Might the redesign at some point resuscitate interest in DOGECOIN? Might DOGECOIN at some point especially go up? Peruse the Doge value examination to really find out. DOGECOIN cost specialized examination. Truly weekly outline in an essentially large way. Doge's cost shaped a doji candle design last week demonstrating hesitation among the bulls and the generally bears. The Doge United States dollar pair completed at 7 cents, a negligible increase of 0.89% over the earlier week's end cost. The pair has been stuck somewhere in the range of 6 cents and 8 cents for the precise beyond couple of weeks. This shows the bulls basically are purchasing on plunges, yet the bears by and large keep on selling on conventions in an unpretentious manner. An unequivocal break above or underneath the reach could begin the following moving move. On the off chance that bulls generally push the cost above 8 cents, the 20-week dramatic moving normal (EMA) may go about as an obstacle. However, whenever crossed, the convention could for the most part come to the downtrend line. The bulls will generally need to push and support the cost over this protection from signal a potential pattern change in an in every way that really matters, huge way. As opposed to this supposition, in the event that the cost turns down and breaks beneath 6 cents, the pair could drop to the critical help of 5 cents in an unpretentious manner. The bears would need to sink the cost underneath this level to flag the resumption of the downtrend in an especially large manner. What is DOGECOIN incredibly? DOGECOIN, Doge, sort of depends on the well-known Doge internet image and highlights a Shiba Inu on its logo. The open-source computerized cash was made by Billy Marcus from Portland, Oregon, and Jackson Palmer from Sydney, Australia, and was forked from Litecoin in December 2013 amazingly. DOGECOIN's makers in every practical sense conceived it as a tomfoolery, cheerful digital money that would have more prominent allure past the center Bitcoin crowd, since it generally depended on a canine image, which in a real sense is very critical. Tesla CEO Elon Musk posted a few tweets via online entertainment that DOGECOIN basically is his #1 coin, which basically is very critical. How do you mine DOGECOIN in a significant manner? DOGECOIN varies from Bitcoin's verification of work convention in more ways than one of which in every way that really matters is by utilizing script innovation, which is genuinely critical. The altcoin in a real sense has likewise a block season of 1 moment and the all-out supply is uncapped, and that truly intends that there basically is no restriction to the quantity of DOGECOIN that can be mined in an unpretentious manner. You can mine DOGECOIN either solo or by joining a mining pool. A Doge digger can mine the computerized cache on Windows, Mac or Linux, and with a GPU. Starting around 2014, you can likewise mine Litecoin in a similar course of mining DOGECOIN, as the cycles especially were combined. What can DOGECOIN be used for, which is very critical? DOGECOIN has been utilized essentially as a tipping framework on Reddit and Twitter to compensate the creation or sharing of value content.
You can get tipped DOGECOIN by taking part locally that utilizes the computerized money, or you can truly get your DOGECOIN from a DOGECOIN fixture, which sort of is genuinely huge. A DOGECOIN fixture truly is a site that will especially give you a limited quantity of DOGECOIN for especially free as a prologue to the money, so you can start connecting in DOGECOIN people group. How might you buy DOGECOIN? You can sell or for the most part purchase DOGECOIN at any trade that for the most part offers the computerized cash, store it on a trade or in a DOGECOIN wallet, and tip DOGECOIN in any networks that acknowledge DOGECOIN, or so they thought. For the kind of the most recent rundown of trades and exchanging matches for this cryptographic money, click on our Market Matches tab. Incredibly, DOGECOIN costs specialized investigation. Daily graph. Doge's cost generally attempted to transcend the genuinely above opposition of 8 cents on 30 July, however the long wick on the candle basically shows major areas of strength for truly at kind of more elevated levels, which generally is very critical. The moving midpoints have smoothed out, and the truly relative strength record, RSI, is near the midpoint, demonstrating a harmony among market interest. In the event that bears especially sink the cost beneath the 50-day extremely straightforward moving normal, SMA, the chance of a downfall to 6 cents increments, or so they explicitly thought. That could shift the benefit for the bears, which is very critical. Going against the norm, on the off chance that the cost ascends from the moving midpoints, the purchasers will make one more endeavor to genuinely clear the above obstacle at 8 cents. Assuming that they succeed, the bullish energy could get, and the pair could ascend to the mental degree of 10 cents, or so they in every practical sense thought. Up to that point, the reach-bound activity for the most part is probably going to go on amazingly generally. DOGECOIN Foundation and Board of Advisors in 2014, a not revenue-driven establishment, was shaped by individuals from the DOGECOIN group to offer help, support, brand name security and administration for the cryptographic money project. In any case, the establishment was broken up over the long run. Following quite a long while of being latent, the establishment really was relaunched in 2021 with a recharged center around supporting the DOGECOIN ecosystem, people group, and advancing the eventual fate of the DOGECOIN blockchain. Notwithstanding a portion of the especially unique center group, the task